Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Zebra, and I know I'm going to mispronounce it, Surari, S-U-R-A-R-I, 300 pins. Now these are some kind of interesting pins. They're not super expensive. They run like $5 to $7 each, and they feel pretty solid as pins go. I mean, like, they don't feel cheap at all. And let's see, you can see the label if it's not too blurry. Probably blurry. Is that zooming in okay for y'all? Not at all. Alright, it looks like it's 300 yen would be my guess. Anyway, these are 0.5 millimeter pins, and they kind of they feel, this part's metal for sure. Alright, oops. Ooh. I don't know if y'all heard that, but that spring went somewhere. I'm pretty sure I just did in this pin. Anyway, so this part's plastic. This part feels like it's aluminum. Yeah, this spring popped out. Alright, we'll hunt down the spring for this one later. Luckily, and unintentionally, we have a backup. So let's see if I can not shoot the spring out this time. There's a spring. Oh, I'm never going to find that spring. Anyway. Alright. So let's try this thing out. This is supposed to be like a nice oil-based ink, I think. It's either hybrid or oil. I saw a lot of things talking about it's like emulsion, ink, hybrid, something. So, I don't know. Let's see how it writes. So this is a Zebra. And it's S-U-R-A-R-I. Surari 300. And this one is a 0.5 millimeter. Oh, I'm writing off the top, aren't I? There we go. A 0.5 millimeter. Actually, it writes pretty good. It's not like super smooth. You're getting like a little bit of tactile feedback from it, but it's not bad. And it feels pretty smooth for the 0.5 millimeter tip. Not bad. It's definitely not a bad like $5 to $7 pen if you're looking for something like this. And they come in a ton of different colors. I mean, there was silver and orange and red and a bunch of colors. I'll include links in the description if you want to check them out. So, quick moral would be don't lose your spring. Although, hold on. That's kind of weird. That's not the way I expected it to work out. Can I write like that? No. I can't write like that. Alright, so the moral of this is make sure you don't, when you take the end off, don't lose your spring. Anyway, let me know what y'all think in the comments. If there's any other videos, if there's any other pins or goodies I should check out, let me know in the comments. And if you have this pin and you like it or don't like it or just think I'm an idiot for losing that spring, let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.